Partner opens a week 2. Do you pass, investigate, or bid game? Choose too cautiously and you may miss game. Push too hard and you may turn a plus score into a minus. This video gives you a fast first test and the card quality checks that keep it from misleading you, so you can choose your next call with more confidence. Partner opens 2 hearts, showing a weak hand with a 6-card heart suit. You have 12 high card points and 4-card heart support. 12 plus 4 is 16. The rule of 17 says that 16 is below the normal threshold for constructive game interest. So, should you pass? Not with this hand. Your singleton spade may eliminate a loser. Your queen and 4 small hearts strengthen the trump fit. And ace, king, queen, jack, 6th in clubs may supply a long source of tricks. Bid 4 hearts. That is the most important warning in this lesson. The rule of 17 is useful, but the number is only the beginning of the decision. After partner opens a week 2 bid, add your high card points to the number of cards you hold in partner's suit. If the total is 17 or more, you normally have enough to investigate game. If the total is 16 or less, you normally do not have a constructive game try. Notice the wording. 17 means game interest. It does not guarantee that game will make. It also does not tell you the exact call to make. Your partnership agreement determines how you investigate. The rule of 17 only helps you decide whether the investigation is justified. The rule also assumes that partner's week 2 bid is disciplined, usually a real 6-card suit within your agreed strength range. Partner opens 2 hearts. You have 15 high card points, but only 1 heart. 15 plus 1 is 16. The arithmetic says no constructive game try. The hand agrees with the arithmetic. You have strength, but you do not have a heart fit. Your singleton heart is especially dangerous because partner's main asset is the heart suit. Pass. This is why the support card is part of the formula. High card points alone do not describe how well the 2 hands fit. Partner opens 2 spades. You have 14 high card points and 3-card spade support. 14 plus 3 is 17. This is the threshold hand. You have a fit, concentrated honors, useful shape, and enough combined potential to ask for more information. Use your partnership's agreed game inquiry call. Do not teach yourself that 17 means jump straight to game. Teach yourself that 17 means the hand deserves a constructive investigation. The rule of 17 sees 2 things: general strength and support for partner's suit. That is why it is useful, but it does not see whether your honors are aces and kings or unsupported queens and jacks. It does not see whether a singleton will eliminate a loser. It does not see whether your side suit can produce tricks, and it does not know whether your raise is constructive or obstructive. So, after counting, you must judge. Partner opens 2 spades. You have 14 high card points and 4 spades. 14 plus 4 is 18. The formula says game interest. Now inspect the hand. You have no ace. The distribution is 4, 3, 3, 3. Most of your strength is made of queens, jacks, and 10s. Those cards may be useful, but they may not cover partner's immediate losers. The recommended action is pass. The lesson is not that every expert must pass this exact hand under every partnership style. The lesson is that 18 does not remove the need for judgment. Hand A totals 18 and may pass. Hand B totals only 16 and bids game. Why? Hand B has cards that perform specific jobs. The singleton can eliminate a loser. The trump holding improves control of the heart suit. The club suit offers immediate winners and a strong chance to establish more. The rule of 17 measures quantity. Good hand evaluation measures usefulness. Partner opens 2 hearts. You have 10 high card points and 4 hearts. 10 plus 4 is 14. You do not have a constructive game try. But at favorable vulnerability, 4 hearts may still be an excellent obstructive bid. You have a 10-card fit, useful shape, and a chance to take away the opponent's bidding space. This 4-heart bid does not say, "I counted 17." It says, "We have a major fit, and I want the opponents to make their next decision at the 4 level." Partner again opens 2 hearts. This time, you have 19 high card points and 2 hearts. 19 plus 2 is 21. Bid 4 hearts because you expect to make it. The final contract is the same, but the reason is completely different. Hand A bids 4 hearts to create pressure. Hand B bids 4 hearts because it expects to make the contract. The rule of 17 helps with constructive game interest. It does not forbid tactical raises below 17. Vulnerability still matters. An obstructive jump that is attractive when favorable may be too expensive when unfavorable. Step 1. Count high card points. Use the normal 4, 3, 2, 1 scale. Step 2. Add your cards in partner's suit. This gives the rule of 17 total. Step 3. Identify your purpose. Are you investigating a game that you expect might make, or are you raising to obstruct the opponents? Step 4. Check card quality. Upgrade aces, kings, honors in partner's suit, useful shortness, and side suits that can produce tricks. Downgrade flat shape, misfit, unsupported queens and jacks, and honors that do not cover partner's likely losers. Step 5. Choose the call. Use your partnership agreement and let vulnerability influence any obstructive raise. That sequence keeps the shortcut in its proper place. The number gives you a first look. The hand gives you the answer. The rule of 17 is simple. Add your high card points to the number of cards you hold in partner's weak 2 suit. 17 or more normally creates game interest. 16 or less normally does not. But never stop with the total. Use the rule of 17 as a filter, not as a law. Count first, then judge. If you want to turn this idea into a table habit, subscribe to Bridge Lab. Practice videos are coming soon. You will see hands like these: pause before the answer, count the rule of 17 total, judge the card quality, and choose the call yourself.